Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where sleep mode is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Before anything else, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, and then select power and battery. Wait till it loads, it needs a while to load. Then expand the list for screen, sleep, and hibernate timeout. Change it from never to some other value. Okay, so this is one thing. If it doesn't work even after that, then go to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next one is to perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.